You guys, I'm freaking out. These are so cute. What is up, you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Today I'm bringing you another Sparktober video, and we're making Halloween inspired jewelry with hot glue. So I'm super excited to show you guys that. Also, if you haven't seen any of the other Sparktober videos, like, what are you even doing? Go ahead and click the link in the description box below to see the playlist. Anyways, I've never done this one before, so it's like trial and error, but I mean, it's gonna be super fun. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Making Halloween jewelry with hot glue. Okay, so I'm gonna use wax paper, glue sticks, glue gun, nail polish to paint this. I have some ribbon, some little skeleton guys, some more paint. These are earring hooks, and then these are like choker hooks that I got from, these two I got from Joann's. And then here's a gold chain that I got from Goodwill, but the little clasp just broke while I was trying to open it. So that might be out. But anyways, yeah. This is it. Okay, so I went ahead and laid down some wax paper on my table, and then I got another choker so that I could open it up and see how long to put these. So then I'm just gonna cut the ribbon to like match this, and I cut the little arms off the skeletons, and we're gonna get to gluing. I took the camera off because I was having some trouble getting these little clasps on, and they're super tough. But here's the first one. I finally got them on. Here's the first one. I might paint some like red on it. I don't know, maybe. But now we'll get into like actually using the hot glue to like make designs. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna again use this for the template, and then I'm gonna take the hot glue here and draw, just like put a glob on each end and draw a line as possibly straight as I can get it. Glob on the end. Can you guys see that? Sort of. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the design. Okay, so I got it off all the way, and I broke some of the pieces, so I fixed them, and I realized that I glued it on the wrong side of the wax paper. There's like a right and a wrong side. So anyways, make sure you like glue on the waxy side, because if not, you'll like rip it up. Anyways, so now I'm gonna take my red nail polish and go ahead and paint this whole thing, and then add the clips on. Okay, so while the rest of this stuff is drying, I decided to show you guys how I'm gonna put the earring bits on these. So here's the package. There are no backs to them, but I usually just like squeeze it so it doesn't fall on my ear, since it has the little hook. So I'm just gonna open this up. There we go. So grab one. Oh, they come in pairs like this. And I'm using the pliers. There they are. I'm using these pliers to like open it up like so, and then you just stick it on like so, and then wham bam, and Bob's your uncle. Squeeze it together. And you've got an earring. So do the same thing for the other side. Oh my God, I can't believe I made these. These are so adorable. How cute are these? I think the earrings are my favorite bit, but the necklace came out really great too. So stinking cute. Oh my goodness. I can't. It's a whole mood. I just love it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, I'll try on the other ones for you. This one isn't necessarily Halloween-y, but I still love it. Like, how cute. And these earrings go with everything. I'm gonna wear them all the time. Like, not even joking. I'm gonna wear them tomorrow. I love this. I'm so excited, guys. This came out so great. I'm gonna finish this up, clean up, go eat while I edit this video to post today. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, let's go to the outro right now. Thanks guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more content. I am so happy with the way that this turned out. Like, it's crazy. Anyways, if you guys remake this, or you have any questions, comments, or concerns, all my socials are at Sparkling Alex. You can also feel free to leave me a comment down below. Also, last thing, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, go check them out because I think they're pretty cool. But that's because I made them, so yeah. But they're really cool. So go check them out and let me know what you guys think. I really like hearing your feedback. So yeah, I think that's all I have. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!